Can you hear me?
Yeah, done.
We can hear you. Yeah. So if you're ready, Syed, we should start, I think.
Yeah, we'll start.
You can start, please.
Yeah. First of all, good evening, ladies and gentlemen, especially the youth of our motherland. I am Syed Talgazi, founder and chairperson, Braveheart Martyrs Foundation. Today we are here to celebrate 22nd Kargil Vijay Divas. Thank you for your kindness. I would like to welcome all our great heroes families, living legends, chief guests, special panelists, and your wonderful people who are watching us live from all across the globe. I would like to introduce our panel according to the protocols, please. The first one would be the respected Girdharilal Batra uncle, father of great Kargil war hero, Captain Vikram Batra, Paramveer Chakra, from Palampur, Himachal. He has joined us. Thank you so much, uncle, for your kindness.
Right. Thank you.
Next in line is our respected Mrs. Meena Nayyar auntie, who will be joining us later in few minutes. I'll go to respected Tripta auntie. Welcome, Tripta auntie. As usual, you are always here for us.
Thank you.
Mother of great Kargil war hero, Vijayan Thapar Veer Chakra, from Noida. She has joined us. So wonderful to see you.
Thank you.
And the next in line is one of the great son of soil, Major General Dr. Yash Mode from Delhi, as our chief guest for the evening. He happens to my dearest schoolmate of Rashtriya Military School, Bangalore. And today he is an outstanding buddy and we are sailing the same boat of patriotism. Welcome, General. Lovely to have you.
Thank you.
I would like to welcome respected Lieutenant Colonel Bopanna ji, one of the living war heroes. Welcome, sir. Welcome.
Thank you, sir. My pleasure.
And I would like to now welcome respected Army legend Colonel Dilip Das sir from Delhi, who served forces for more than 35 years. Welcome, Das sir. Colonel Das sir. Welcome, sir.
Thank you so much.
And now I would like to introduce the All India Sports and Armed Forces commentator, author, the legendary Shri Milan Wagleji, who also is the host of the beautiful patriotic evening today. Thank you, Milanji, for your kindness, always being there for BMF and all the patriotic words across the globe.
Thank you so much.
And now I would like to start. It gives me immense pleasure, to welcome one and all who are watching us live today from all across the globe. Thank you so much for your warm and kind presence. We have been trying to do something for our martyr war heroes and families since time Kargil conflict happened in 1999. It made me think and understand what it feels to lose your loved ones at the borders to safeguard our country and its citizens. Just imagine a mother's plight when she receives a young son's body wrapped in our national flag. We all celebrate Diwali, Dussehra, Holi, Eid, Christmas, many festivals which makes us feel happy. So why not celebrate our martyr war heroes, families, living legends by honoring and paying tributes to them in a program like Golden Salute today. I salute all my school teachers of Rashtriya Military School, Bangalore, for inculcating patriotism in me and other cadets. When I say my school, I mean all the 5 schools of Ajmer, Belgaum, Chail, Dholpur, as we 5 are one big Georgian family. And now before we begin, I should hand over the mic to our respected Milan Wagleji. Kindly take it over from here.
Thank you so much, Syed. You called me a legend. Wasn't really fair today to call me a legend because there are 3 parents there who are legends. There is General Yashmore, who is a legend. There is Colonel Shashidhar Bopanna, who is a legend. And there is Colonel Dilip Das, who is a legend. I'm just one of those ordinary citizens of this country. So let's leave me out as the legend for today. Thank you so much for your kind words. Thank you so much for your kind words, Syed. Christians, Muslims, Hindus, Sikhs, Jains, every conceivable community from Kanyakumari to Kashmir, from the northeast of India to Gujarat, they were all a part of an operation in 1999. They knew no religion. They only knew the enemy. They climbed vertical peaks at 18,000 feet, ice-laden without shoes, stormed bunkers with bayonets, unmindful of personal safety. Tololing, Tiger Hill, Mushko, Batalik, Point 4875, and so many of the others have become a part of history and a part of our household names. We paid a price to evict Pakistan. As we celebrate Vijay Divas tomorrow, please spare a minute for the families of 567 killed and over 1,000 injured, some of them who have been maimed for life. They gave that today for our tomorrow. So I'm going to start this evening with none other than Mr. Girdharilal Batra, the father of one of the greatest heroes. You know, we talk of Sachin Tendulkar, Rahul Dravid, we talk of Olympians, the Olympics are on now, we talk of table tennis, we talk of actors, we talk of scientists. But for me, Captain Vikram Batra, Paramveer Chakra, is a legend, the greatest of the legend. And Mr. Batra, I'm going to show you this cap. I don't know whether you can see this. This cap,
Right, I can see, sir.
this cap is one of the finest memorabilia which I have. It's the bravest of the brave cap, which is getting me goosebumps right now. So, you know, I'm going to start off with you by a question which has nothing to do with the operation, because we all know about the operation which Vikram Batra was a part of. I heard enough of this operation from every conceivable soldier who fought with him. Major, now Colonel Rajesh Adav is a very good friend of mine. Dr. Rajesh Adav is a very good friend of mine. And he's taken me through the entire story of the operation from the day it started. So everything is known to all of us about the operation. But my question to you as the father of Captain Vikram Batra, Paramveer Chakra, is please tell us something about your son as a young boy. ये जोश उसमें कहाँ से आया और वो एक फौजी बनना चाहता था या कैसे उसको मुकाम फौज की तरफ ले गई?
सर, मैं एक चीज बताना चाहूंगा कि विक्रम व्यक्तित्व के बहुत धनी व्यक्तित्व के स्वामी थे. He was a very good son, he was a patriot, he was a very good citizen and very good soldier. What I should say कि वो एक बहुत ही बहुमुखी प्रतिभाशाली थे. मल्टीफेसेट पर्सनैलिटी था उनका. और he was very much inspired by our great revolutionists and great heroes like Maharana Pratap, revolutionists like Sardar Bhagat Singh, Chandrasekhar Azad, Subhash Chandra Bose, etc. He was very much inspired by all these role models. And even after being selected in the Merchant Navy, which is a very lucrative job, he decided to go to become a commissioned officer. And he was successful in that. And I feel that he has elevated our life in all respects. Maybe the worldly respects, maybe the spiritually also. So we feel pride. We feel pride.
ये पलटन जो कैप्टन विक्रम बात्रा ने ज्वाइन की, कभी उन्होंने आपसे कहा था कि I will join this Paltan, particular Paltan?
No, he never. He was not knowing even. He never said that he is going to this Jammu Kashmir Rifles. He never said like that.
ये बताओ कि ऐसे क्या चीज कैप्टन विक्रम बात्रा के बारे में हमें आप बताएंगे which will inspire the youth of this nation. आपने थोड़ी देर पहले उनकी जो पैशन की बात की, उनकी जो जोश की बात की. एक ऐसा कुछ वाक्य है जो हमारे यूथ को, क्योंकि ये प्रोग्राम दिनों में लोग देखते रहेंगे अलग अलग चैनल्स पे, अलग अलग यूट्यूब पे, ऐसे कोई जोश उनके बारे में था जो हमें इंस्पायर करेगा?
देखिए, वो मैं समझता हूँ कि वॉज ए वेरी हाईली डिटरमिन्ड पर्सन. एक बार जो सोच लेते थे कि करना है तो जो है वो करके रहते थे. नो पावर कैन चेक इन. तो ऐसा था उनका कि बड़ी डिटरमिन्ड थे वो बहुत ज्यादा. और उनमें एक देशभक्ति का जज्बा जो था ये बचपन से ही भरा हुआ था.
कुछ ऐसी बात गिरधारीलाल जी आपको याद है जो ऑपरेशन विजय को जाने के पहले उन्होंने आपसे कही थी?
ऑपरेशन विजय पर जाने से पहले तो उन्होंने एक बार ये बताया था अपनी सिस्टर को, मुझे नहीं, कि जब वो एक इंसर्जेंसी ऑपरेशन में थे तो एक गोली जो है वो उनके शोल्डर के पास से क्रॉस होकर के गई और उनके पीछे जो सोल्जर था उसको लगी और वो शहीद हो गया. तो उन्होंने ये बताया अपनी सिस्टर को कि ये गोली शायद मेरे लिए नहीं बनी थी. हम ये मानते हैं कि जो शहीद होता है वो गोली उसके लिए बनी होती है. तो वो गोली जो मेरे शोल्डर के पास से क्रॉस होकर के मेरे पीछे वाले मेरे जवान को लगी, वो मेरे लिए नहीं थी।
Brilliant, absolutely brilliant. Thank you so much, Mr. Batra. If you can stay on, we will continue to talk to you. Before we move to the next legend with us, Syed, would you like to ask Mr. Batra a question?
Yeah, before I ask Batra uncle my question, I would like to welcome respected Mrs. Meena Nair auntie, mother of great Kargil Mark war hero, Captain Anuj Nair, Mahavir from Noida. Thank you, auntie. Thank you so much for your love and affection always. So kind of. Now I'm coming back to Batra uncle. Uncle,
Right.
yeah, I just wanted to know, see, we know everything about our heroes, Captain Vikram Batra. And I just want to know and inform people who are watching us and will be watching the recording. There is a biopic being released after a lot of time, after 2 years of wait. That's Sher Shah, the biopic of Captain Vikram Batra. Kindly tell me about that experience, please, about you and about Vishal Batra, who has been involved since first day in the making.
देखिए, एक्चुअली हम तो ये चाहते थे कि ये फिल्म बहुत पहले बनना चाहिए थी, यानी आप 22 साल हो चुके हैं कारगिल वार को समाप्त हुए, ये पहले बनना चाहिए थी, लेकिन फिर भी चलो देर आए दुरुस्त आए। आज से 4 साल पहले जो बॉम्बे एक प्रोड्यूसर हैं, धर्मा प्रोडक्ट्स ने बनाया है एक्चुअली इसको, तो उन्होंने बना तो लिया था, इससे 2 साल पूर्व जो है ये प्रारंभ हो गई थी और अभी 1 साल पहले ये बनकर तैयार हो गई थी, लेकिन ड्यू टू द कोरोना प्रॉब्लम ये रिलीज नहीं हो पा रही थी। तो अभी उन्होंने उसके साथ में जो आपका अमेजोन के साथ में टाई अप किया है, तो अमेजोन में ये 12 अगस्त को रिलीज होने जा रही है। तो इसमें उनका जो चाइल्डहुड का जो इंसिडेंट्स हैं, चाइल्डहुड से लेकर के उनका स्कूल एजुकेशन, फिर उनका कॉलेज एजुकेशन, उसके बाद में कैसे कमीशन मिला उनको, और वार पीरियड में जो उन्होंने कारनामे अंजाम दिए हैं, वो सब का उसमें दिया गया है। तो ये 12 अगस्त को अमेजॉन प्राइम पर रिलीज हो जाएगी।
Yeah, this is wonderful news, uncle. After a long wait, 12th August is the date for Sher Shah. Kindly watch it on Prime, please. और हम सब देखेंगे और ये दिल मांगे मोर as the Vikram